Something I noticed in the comments from one of my recent videos about putting the ribbon on the tree is many of you were excited to see how I was going to decorate the new addition on the house. Well, unfortunately, Jason did not really want the room decorated. He agreed to the skinny tree that you guys saw me decorate, and that was the only decor that he wanted out there Christmas-wise. So we had to respect that, and I was just fine with it because I already felt like I had plenty to do in here and it didn't need to invade his special little space. This is the first time in many, many years that I got a new Christmas tree. I'm going to link this down below. They are always having sales. As you guys saw in the nighttime tour, the lighting on this is absolutely gorgeous, and there are no extra lights on this. I did not add anything extra, and it is just so beautiful. This is from King of Christmas, and it's not sponsored. I just love this tree, and so I am going to list it down below if you are looking for a tree, and it got here so fast, so I will recommend it. Look at this little cutie. She's obsessed with her bed and laying in front of the fire. If you haven't liked this video, make sure you do. It really lets YouTube know that this video needs to get out there to more people. One thing that I did this year is exactly what I did last year. I made my whole home cohesive. I made it in colors that match my palette, and it just feels so calm and inviting. Something else that I did this year is I used myself for inspiration. I struggled a little bit about what I wanted to do, and I actually went back and watched last year's video and was like, oh, I really love that. No reason I can't do that again, and I highly suggest that. I have taken photos and videos of areas that I decorated, and I just was like, I am going to use that because I know I love it. And I also this year did not spend any money other than buying the new Christmas tree, and I just decorated with things that I already had. It just felt easy. Like I didn't feel like this pressure that I had to go and get new things, because sometimes YouTube makes you feel like you have to present constant new items, and that is just unrealistic in the real world for smaller YouTubers. So I hope you guys enjoy just seeing my stuff like recreated and also reused in the exact same way. I do have a Christmas tablescape coming soon here in the dining room, and I do believe we're going to be doing another Pottery Barn challenge this year for Christmas, so stay tuned for that. That's going to be fun. I do suggest if you want to do something a little extra, as I printed these off of Etsy. I'll leave them in the link down below. And then these little frames were just off of Amazon. And it was kind of fun to put in like actual Christmas artwork to go above different decor areas. And so that's not expensive because we don't want to spend tons of money. So that's just a fun little idea that you can do. Something that I did last year that I already knew I wanted to do again this year is something that is so simple. So keep in mind that good decor doesn't have to be complicated. It can still look beautiful and just be simple. I love this little Christmas tree farm sign with just a variety of different Christmas trees with the mirror and the lights. So simple, but looks so beautiful, especially as you saw at nighttime. So don't think you have to make it complicated to make it look good. Oh, and look who made a return this year. Yep, Buzz's girlfriend. She's back for another round above the toilet. Something I always try to remember when I'm decorating the kitchen is that you want your kitchen to still be functional. And so I try not to overdo it on the decor and leave appropriate counter space and leave room to where you can get to the plug-in. And just not overdo it, because otherwise Jason would lose his mind. And so just adding in soft touches. I love the blue that I used this year. It seemed a little bit more muted, a little bit more light. I just put a little bit of the navy blue throughout. And if you haven't watched last year's video, go back and watch that and you will know what I'm talking about. Every year I wonder, is this my last year doing a Christmas home tour? And then I do it again. And so this was really fun. This is just my third year and I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys did also. We have lots more videos coming your way and Jason will be in some of them, so stay tuned. Bye-bye.